Hello everyone and welcome to the Sustainable Supply Chain Pledge Day, the largest virtual event to connect all ISCEA Sustainable Supply Chain Global Ambassadors from all over the world. So why a pledge for sustainable supply chain? In supply chain, we have been focusing way too long on operational performance and profitability only. But it's not enough. With all the intelligence that we currently have on Earth, we should be able to solve any complex issues raised by sustainability. And this is of course applicable first to us, the supply chain professionals community. It's our duty to make our supply chains more sustainable. The Earth resources are limited. Those resources are sourced, transformed, transported from point A to point B, consumed and disposed. And for our old generation to live, we need to use our own resources without compromising the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. What we be leaving to our children? That's why it's so important. I'm Frederic Gommern and welcome to the Sustainable Supply Chain Pledge Day. This event welcomes all those who are interested in pledging to sustainable supply chain, meeting peers with similar interests or learning about how to further commit to sustainability by, for example, becoming a ISCEA Global Sustainable Supply Chain Ambassador. So I invite you to connect with other passionate planet guardians who aim to transform the world of supply chain for a better, stronger, more sustainable future. Enjoy the day.